Hello everyone, I'm Veda Prasad. I'm happy to be part of Intentional Student Partner 24th program. Before I'm starting in presentation, I would like to give some intro about what is an Intentional. Intentional is a platform which provides a various types of internships with stipends and also providing a trainings and in a specific domain. Intentional is an easy way to earn pocket money and gain experience. The current scenario is the colleges have reopened and students are at home due to COVID-19 situation. Classes are taking online which leaves some spare time with the students. In the meanwhile, the students can use this spare time by using this internship and applying for those internships and get stipend. How can you utilize your time in the best way? The first one is part time work. The work will be an work from home internships and campus ambassador internships and volunteering activities. Why should you go for part time internships? In the part time internships, the students can use this spare time alone and no need to go under a long space of work. It's a wonderful place for college students and get good internships in the meanwhile. The internships must be work just for 2 to 3 hours a day, and by completing the internships you can get a certificate which will add a value addition to a resume and also earn pocket money and improve job prospects. By improving the job prospects you will stand out from the recruiters and be in a high valued resume and get a weightage of more numbers from others. Some of the most preferred categories of internships and internship are marketing, research, operations, graphic designing, and content writing. Apart from this, there are many more categories also in an internship. How to get in part-time internships? Internship is the world's number one internship platform in which students can apply for part-time internships completely free of cost. So here is no need of cost for applying or registering in an internship. And I like to add some points to an internship. That is, every year 5 lakh plus students have gotten part-time internships through an internship and earned up to 1 lakh 20,000 as stipend alone. How does an internship work? The first step is to register for free and complete your profile specifications. After completing successful registration and completing your profile, you can explore various types of internships from your profiles which matches with you, which details you entered, and with an appropriate details and suited proportional jobs, you can apply and get hired to this internships which you have applied. Some of the people which I like to add is Ujjival Agarwal. He had earned off 15,000 as a stipend alone, and by the use of this money he bought an DSLR camera. And another person is an Nitish Venkatesh. He earned same of amount of 15,000, and differently he bought a gifts for his parents with his stipends. That's it. Students can use the internship platform to get more number of internships with stipends. If students can have any queries or questions, you can drop those questions in the comment section. Thank you.